Hello guys, this is the coding teacher. I'm here to teach you how to code. We're building a customer relationship manager, and in this video we're going to be making server routes to update an employer. So app.put is the verb that you usually use to update records. API employers, and this one's going to work the same way by an ID in the URL. And let me go ahead and it's going to be super similar, except that instead of find by ID and remove, it's what's it called again? Find by ID and update. So I'm finding by ID and updating it. If there's an error, logging into the console and sending back a 500. Otherwise, there's a response from the database. I think I don't need this here. I think in here I can just do this, because if it doesn't find it, I think that the response is actually, let's keep it like this. When I've done this before with Mongoose, I don't use this. These are new methods that I just found out about. So traditionally I've used a more generic method that sends you back an object that says, hey, number of documents affected, 0 or 1, and then you can go by that to determine whether or not it worked. So let's actually go ahead and test this. Person. We already have Steve. Medium soft. So let's post this real quick, and if we refresh here, let's figure out what went wrong. It appears that my server is taking crap. So let's go ahead and reload. Here we go. Medium soft is there. So instead of delete, I'm going to put, and no, actually, I don't want to use the delete request as a model. I want to use the post one. Put, right, employers slash. I'm going to use this Slim Shady ID right here. Alright, so instead of the name being Slim Shady, I want it to be, name is Marshall, and status equals homies. So when I send that, it sends back the response saying that this is the previous information that it had. So if we reload here, oh no, look at this. Let's see if I want an update. Okay. So we have to set it like this. Find one an update right here, and then we put a request.body in here. That's the usage. And probably don't need this. So let's see if this works now. Let's see. Doesn't look like. Oh yes, it did. Cool. So now it actually changed the name and status. If I run it again, name, I don't know, Marshall M, and status. Actually, I'm gonna put another status, homies 2. And when I get back, check this out. I get the old name and status, but the change actually does get reflected in the database. So I'm getting back the old state of the document, and the new state is being recorded. But that's all it takes to have a node.js backend. So pretty much right now we have a CRUD server. We're ready to roll with with the backend of our server, we can create employers, we can update them, we can delete them, and we can list them. So that's it for this video. I hope that was informative. In the next episode, we'll be building out that front end. We'll be building out our little Angular application, going and talking a little bit about Angular, what Angular is and what its role is going to be, and building the front end functionality that allows us to create new employers and update them and query, list all the employers and what have you. But that's it for this video. I hope it was informative, and I'll see you guys next time.